What is up, guys?
Cái channel dia.
Alright, so we are in Bainbridge right now, but the only problem is we don't know where to go. We don't know what to do, so we are opening the brochure. We don't know where we are. All we know is that we have
Each other.
but we'll figure it out. We're gonna get off this ferry. And we'll see where we're going afterwards.
Wedding.
What is up, guys? We are off at Bainbridge. We truly don't know where to go. Again, like I said earlier, we went here. The idea of coming here just I mean, like, for sure, the map's with me. We're gonna buy a house. Alright, let's go. Alright, we'll see you later. Say goodbye, baby.
Bye-bye.
We like looking at bridge, and this is our first bridge at Bainbridge. Coincidence. I know, ini kayak di Nusa Dua. Ini serem.
Buaya darat.
Guys, we are now in Bainbridge Island. I just flew my drone a couple minutes ago. But we're hungry. We haven't eaten the whole day. So, alright.
White bread.
Alright, I'm letting her decide where we're gonna have lunch today. Because I'm hungry. Oh! If you realize my glass is actually broken right now, I'll show you a clip why it broke. Yep, it broke pretty bad. Go with it. Alright, so we're gonna find ourselves some lunch. Alright, cool. So I guess we're having a salad and breads and American food for lunch. We're going to go there. See you guys there. Alright, babes. Alright, we've arrived at the main city of
Slow, we're at Willow.
Willow. Where are we now? No, we're at Kuta, Bali. See? So we just had our lunch. We had a very delicious Subway, not Subway, but a deli shop. It was great. Right now it's like 4:30 in the afternoon. The sun's about to go down, but I want to try to fly my drone really quick over here. Take a glimpse shot. So I'll be right back. I just flew my drone. Somebody actually came to me. I thought I was gonna be in big trouble because I know I live in Seattle and they have a no flying drone rules in Seattle. So if you were ever in Seattle, keep an eye out. Check out the rules, check out the regulations. I've heard that you couldn't fly it in parks, but I'm not in Seattle right now. I'm in Ferry, so now we're trying to look for ice creams and some Nerf guns. Alright, we got a place that we want to look at. Ari has cravings for ice cream right now, even though it's like -2 degrees Celsius.
Only -2.
No, I don't think this is my.
Really, pengen nggak?
Alright, what is up, guys? We just ate. This what?
The best ice cream of my life.
Yeah, we sort of underestimated the ice cream size. We bought 2 scoops. They gave us an extra free scoop, but 1 scoop is actually enough for like 2 of us. So we ate like 2 pinch. Just take like 2-3 pinch. Then I'm like, good. Oh, by the way, somebody here is playing really good music, and I'm gonna show you what. Somebody's playing really good music. Benjo a bit. We have like half an hour. It's 6 o'clock. No, it's actually 5:55 right now. We have half an hour to catch our ferry back home. This is the toy shop. This is the toy shop. Toy shop. Wait. Come here.
Dia aja bebek. You could do much better. Bebek tadi kayak setengah doang. Masa sih? Beb penguin. Ada penguin terbang, lihat Beb. That's us. Tuh. I shot. Let me do it.
I won.
Do it again. Kok bisa sih? Poor baby boy. You have me when you want Nerf gun.
Dah, let's catch the ferry.
Belum sih, 10 menit lagi.
It's time to go home. It's like 6 p.m. right now, and it's dark here in Seattle. I had to use the flash, but we don't know which way is the ferry. We're now trying to find our way back
Is anyone
home.
going home back to Seattle?
We might find our way back to the ferry. We're just not sure. So what we ended up doing is following these 2 couples Octopus.
Dia mau masuk hotel. Suasana.
Oh, we found it! We found it! We found the ferry. So we'll be back home in Seattle really soon. We went to the place where you said it was beautiful.
Really? Now where did I?
We didn't go to the other small city that you said earlier.
You went to Paulsbo.
Yeah,
No.
we just went around the town, but
You get to see the little town a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you get to have any food or anything?
yeah, we did. We got
ice cream too.
We got ice cream
That
and
Mora's.
Mora's, and we got those deli shop over at the Hitchcock.
Oh yeah.
It's really good.
It's a nice place.
All right, thank you.
Maybe that's cool.
All right, I guess we're pooing.
Maybe restroom di mana?
I know where the restroom is. I just don't want to tell her. We finally arrived in Seattle. How was it? How was the trip?
That was so fun.
It was so fun. It was so fun.
Loved it.
Loved it. I was trying to take a time-lapse video of Seattle through the ferry ride. I couldn't feel my hands. It's so cold. Imagine being in a weather that's 2 degrees Celsius and the wind's like going 35 miles per hour. It's unbelievable. I can feel we got a really good video of us. It was a very fun trip today. It was a very fun, spontaneous trip. Do you love the trip? Yeah? Alright, but that's Seattle. We're probably gonna take Uber home. It's too cold to go with the bus and I'm like super tired. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching our vlog.
Subscribe here.
Subscribe there. We'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.